Hi, boys and girls. So today, sorry, you will be on week 2. So you'll go into your course. And right now, I'm going to do the science lesson with you. So I'm going to click on scientific sharing because this is where the lesson is. So we're going to open it up. And here's your heading, scientific sharing. So the little guy's asking you, are you enjoying all the pictures I've shared? Sharing information is an important part of what scientists do. When we share information, we help others become better learners too. Let me share some more of what I've learned about the Earth's surface with you. So what you will learn in this lesson, so you should be able to recognize that Earth's surface consists of water, rocks, soil, and living organisms. And you should be able to share how Earth's surface consists of water, rocks, soil, and living organisms. So that's hopefully what we will learn by the end of this lesson. So I'm going to click Next. Hawaiian collectibles. When I went for a nature walk in Hawaii, I collected lots of objects. I collected 5 rocks, right here, 3 types of soil, here, 1 bottle of water I collected from the ocean, and 8 living organisms. I want to share this information, but I'm not sure how. I can help. Scientists share their data so everyone can learn about their experiments. One way scientists show their results is with a bar graph. I'll show you. So here we are. Gabrielle has made a bar graph to show the objects that Lance collected on his nature walk. So on this bar graph, you can see it looks like a bar. So here's that 1 water bottle. Here's the 3 soil. So you can see the number of objects is here, and then what the object is here. And then they have the title, Nature Walk Objects. And then there's, let's see, 5 rocks. If we go up, there's 8 living organisms. So that's a good way to organize his data and show what he saw. Do you notice the different colored bars? Each bar represents a different object. The name of each type of object collected is written under the bars. The number on the sides show how many objects of each type Lance collected. To see how many living organisms Lance collected, find the bar labeled Living Organisms, then count how many green blocks there are. You can also follow the bar up to the top and move your finger to the left to see the number of living organisms he collected. So how many living organisms did he collect? Remember, you're going to find which one says living organisms. You can either count the boxes or slide your finger over. So how many living organisms did he find? Did you say 8? You got it. Oh, here's another one. How many bottles of water did he find? Did you say 1? You're correct. How about soil? That would be 3. And then how many rocks? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocks. See, you guys are experts already at bar graphs. So I'm going to go next. Make your own bar graph. A bar graph is a great way to share information. Are you ready to make your own bar graph? You can do it. Practice like a scientist. It's time to make your very own bar graph. Print the Nature Walk graph activity sheet and follow the instructions to help you create a graph of what you find on your walk. So if you would like to pause this video, you can go into this text. We are on page 3, and you can print this, and you can work on making your own bar graph. If not, let's keep going. planet Earth. Now that you know how to make a bar graph, you can share all sorts of information. The next time you go on a nature walk, you can record, write, draw, your findings on a bar graph. That's the write and draw. And share with a friend or family member. Ready to share your results? Make a video of yourself sharing the results of your bar graph because this is what scientists do. Follow the instructions below and get ready to share your results. So if you click here, it'll give you the instructions to make a video. What did I learn in this lesson? So what we learned was making observations is great and sharing them is even better. When you share what you've observed and learned, you can help others learn too. Creating a bar graph to show all the neat objects you found on your nature walk was a great way to share information. What will you share next? So now we should be able to recognize that Earth's surface consists of water, rocks, soil, and living organisms, just like lamps found in Hawaii. And we also know how to share that information. They give us the example of a bar graph. So this is a little review that says it's loading. You've learned so much about the Earth's surface. Continue to practice finding different objects from the Earth's surface. Let's see what this is. Circle an example of each group of objects found on Earth: water, rock, soil, and living organisms. Do you see water? I do too, right here. How about some rocks? Can you point to the rocks? Yep. Rocks. How about soil? Could say there's some soil here, or even some of the sand. Living organisms, do you see anything living? How about all these trees? All these plants? There's even some people there. Let's see if we did any good. They found water, rocks. Oh, they did circle some people. And they circled sand. So now here's what is my assignment. It's time to show what you know. Complete the scientific sharing assignment. So this is what you have to turn in. So you're going to have to go into the lesson and click on page 6. You can go to My Progress and just click on 6. And then you're going to click on this activity. It'll open up, and then you're going to do this activity. It says there are 4 groups of objects found on Earth's surface: water, rock, soil, and living organisms. To share what you've learned, create your very own nature storybook. Include 1 page for each group: water, page 1, rocks, soil, and living organisms. Draw a picture of each and complete a sentence at the bottom of each page. So for number 1, water. Water? That doesn't sound right. R. I wonder if they give you is. Aha, here we go. So maybe you should put water down here because we wouldn't say water are found on the Earth's surface. We could say rocks are found on the Earth's surface. You could draw a picture of some rocks. Soil, living organisms, and water. Remember, if it ends with an S, you can use the word R, the word R. But if it doesn't end with an S, just water, you wouldn't say water are. You would say water is. So there's 2 is and 2 are. So you're going to print that up and you're going to send it in to your teacher. If you